So a new customer walks into Digi Mobile with her laptop. She tells us she took it to the big store. Yeah, you know the one, the sticker gives it away. To get an upgrade. They told her the laptop couldn't be fixed because the battery was swollen and supposedly pushing the keyboard out. Then after a whole story full of confusion, they tried to sell her a brand new $800 laptop instead. But she was smart. She decided to get a second opinion. So we took a look. Yeah, the battery was bad, but guess what? It wasn't pushing the keyboard or anything crazy like that. Totally fixable. Our honest quote? New battery, better hard drive. Fresh install of Windows 11, all for a fair price. She said, let's do it. And boom, laptop's running great again. We literally saved her from spending $800 on a new laptop. All she wanted to do was check her email, Facebook, and her bank. At Digi Mobile, we don't just fix devices, we save our customers money and give them honest solutions.